Okay, today I'm going to show you how to get the factory door code for a 2014 Ford Explorer. You'll need both sets of keys. You'll put one set into the ignition, turn it on. Don't turn it so the engine starts, just turn it so the accessory power's on. Shut it off, take it out, put the other key in, put it in, turn it, and your factory code will come up right there. And then you can turn it off, and we'll go out and try it to see if it works. Okay, I locked the doors, and it unlocked.